Welcome to day number 97. I'm John McLauchlan and we are promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret email marketing platform. So we've been doing this every day since the beginning of January 2024. We've made consistent sales and we're starting to get back into that momentum phase, which I like. Okay, last week we had the best week ever. Okay, almost $200 in commissions for the week. So we're still making progress. We've still got a lot of work to do, but we're making progress. That's the main thing. Okay, so I've got Clickbank. So we'll go on, I'll just go and refresh the page. It looks like we've had another sale come in. So again, consistent sales throughout the week. And if we go and click on the old stats, well, let's call them the old stats anyway. Okay, so currently, as we said, like we had a gap on the 3rd of April, but other than that, a good week. Last week 174.75. The week starts on a Wednesday because that's when I started. 18.25 for today. That's not too bad. Okay, and if I go to the reporting, we're still very much in a transition phase with the new product. Okay, obviously I thought things would happen a bit quicker, but things not, as you can see from here, that we've got social paid. Almost 2,500 hops, but only 3 sales. Whereas with social sales rep, we're still getting sales coming in from the recurring revenue. So it makes a huge difference promoting something that's got recurring revenue. Because if it hadn't, we wouldn't have made half the sales. Okay, and if you look at that, 72 complete sales at the moment. So almost, 74. It'll be 74,000 soon. 24,744 hops, 505 impressions, 72 rebuilds, 8.32% on the conversion rate, because people are they're doing a lot of clicking, okay, on the social paid, because I think the emails are more compelling, and yet they've still got to warm up to it. So we're still in that warm up phase. All right, and gross earnings 1360.91. So if you don't know what myleadgensecret is, if you go to the description below, have a look at these links. First of all, the link, this is yesterday's video, but the description is generally the same. First of all is the link to have a look at my page, and it gives you a complete description. Let me show you. Complete description of what myleadgensecret is and how it works, and how you can work, how it can work for you. Have a look at this video here. This is my day 0 video, and to get your first account, okay, click on where it says join myleadgensecret now, fill out your details, and that'll put you on my list. When you click yes, let's get started right now, that's going to take you to a myleadgensecret checkout page. Now, every account that you get is going to cost you $30 per account, and you get 100 to 200 leads per day if you get the bonus leads. Now, if you refer somebody to myleadgensecret, you get the bonus leads, and you also get $5 per month per person commissions, and that's payable to 5 levels deep. So if you refer somebody and they refer somebody and so on, you get those commissions. So it makes a big difference. The other thing you can do is you can stack your accounts together. So you can stack them on top of each other, and that's what I did. I didn't realize you could do it for quite some time, and I went from 200 leads a day to 1,000 leads a day, which makes a difference. Okay, and because myleadgensecret allow you to refer yourself, you can gain from the commissions that you earn yourself and also the bonus lead that they give you. But if you go to that page, if you go to this link, have a look at this video. This explains everything. And okay, and again, there's no obligation to do anything. There's no pressure from me to do anything. Essentially, what I'm doing with this case study, I'm showing you how it works, I'm showing you what I do day by day, and I'm just being as transparent as possible to say this is what I'm doing to earn money online, and that's it. Okay, it's as simple as that. There's no real secrets. And probably yesterday's video was probably one of the best videos I did in terms of training, in terms of really trying to share with you exactly what it takes to build an online business. And it all comes down to the subtleties and nuances of being able to write good email copy, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so that is as open as it can be. So there's myleadgensecret. The other thing I was going to say, that's what I was going to mention, was I also put an article together where I did a report on Q1. Okay, so this is on my johnmclaughlin.com blog, and you know, I don't fill it full of flashy images and all that sort of thing. Just basically the facts about what I've learned over Q1. Okay, and there's the videos, the playlist you can watch, and essentially all the takeaways I've done over the last 3 months, and you can learn from that. You can learn as much as you want, take as much away from it as possible. Right, so My Lead Gen Secret, let's go to the mailing system. Let me show you this as well. This is interesting. So we've got a lot of opens on the $900 a week about celebrities, uploading celebrity YouTube videos. So that's had a good response. So you can see how the response, the opens, have substantially increased because we've changed over and because we're sending slightly more compelling subject lines and also emails. So I think what's going to happen is we're going to get more of a compounding of sales with this particular product. I hope so anyway, because at the moment it's pretty slow. Yesterday, okay, gaming on YouTube, 3% open rate, 6,222 people have opened. And yes, I admit that you've got to take these stats with a pinch of salt, but they are reasonably ballpark, fairly accurate. We'll go with fairly. That's about enough. So mailing system, and I've got an email here which is already pre-written. So I'm just going to grab the subject line. Select all the leads, load in yesterday's email for the formatting, and I'm going to go Control V. So this is all about those people that get boxes and open them online. They do videos and open these boxes. It was a bit of a mystery to me because I'd never really seen it before. So I saw this email in the assets that you can get in Clickbank, and I thought I'm going to have a look at some of these unboxing things. And this guy opening it, going, "Yeah, look at what we've got, and look what we've got." And apparently, it's got a big following. So the guy that I looked at, the guy called TechSource, 3.74 million subscribers. That's a lot of people, isn't it? Watching people open boxes. So if you're a fan of people opening boxes, let me know. I'm still to learn what it's really about. But obviously there's some powerful psychology about around it. Right, so I've copied the email. I'm going to go and paste that in. So again, I'm just going to sort my formatting out. Tell you what I do as well, I prepare all these emails in advance, and then when I look at them for like a second or third time, I realise there's loads of mistakes, like full stop mistakes. Not major mistakes, but enough to make me raise an eyebrow or two. Okay, that's that. So we're going to change the tracking link. So it's the 10th today. Going to copy that and paste that in. That's all good. And we'll make that bolded. As usual, just go through the usual formatting process, just so your customers or your leads just get an idea of what you're doing. So 1A on this because this is the first link and we don't bold that. Okay, so there we go. And again, what I did with the email, okay, I'm asking a question. Have you seen those unboxing videos on YouTube? Okay, and I actually did this. I went on to YouTube, had a look through, and I came across this guy called TechSource with 3.74 million subscribers. And the thing is, if somebody looks at that and goes, "Oh, this is this John guy," I'm going to see if he's actually true. And they go TechSource and they go, "Well, he's got 3.74 million. He's actually right in what he says." So if you're going to tell people something, make sure you're telling them exactly the truth. Okay. So yeah, I didn't see the point of unboxing videos until I looked at the channel and I realized I've been watching the videos for over 10 minutes. Okay, so again, it goes into the mystery and suspense of these channels can earn you $190 per day, assisting them with their video uploads. And this is one of the things about creators. They're really good at creating, but the whole upload process is long and tedious, as I can attest to. So these things really work. So perfect timing. We'll preview it. We'll have a look. And like you stand back and you look at it and you go, that is a nice looking email. First of all, my eye is drawn to this, okay, because it's numbers, it kind of stands out, and also the word million always stands out. The link, the numbered list, and also another call to action. So it's a nice looking email, okay. So we just need to start getting this to convert, right? So we're going to send the email. Right, so I'm going to wait until that's finished sending. There we go. So I'm going to grab the source code, Control A and C, pasting that into my notepad. And we'll grab the subject. Copy that, paste it in. Good, right, so from there, Control A and C, that's copied from the notepad. And all we're going to do now is cycle through all the accounts. What am I doing now? Mailing system. I'm pretty tired now. I've been shooting video all day for the affiliate marketing course, and I tell you what, that course is going to be absolutely blinding. Really high production values, if I say so myself. But it's taking some doing, I tell you. But it'd be worth it. So again, if you're not yet subscribed to a channel, that affiliate marketing course is going to be available for free on this channel. Okay, so if you subscribe, you're going to get access to it, and it really is good. Okay, and I don't always blow smoke up my own ass, but I'm going to today because it's good stuff. Right, perfect timing. We'll preview it. Let's have a quick look. And again, when you look at an email like that and you go, that looks like a nice email, well written, nicely formatted, easy to read, then that makes me happy. I know we're going to start getting more regular sales with this. It's just going to take a bit longer than I thought. Right, account, log out. We're going to account number 3. And we're going to go to mailing system, select all leads, paste that in. Control A and V, take out what we don't need and change the numbers over to number 3. Good. There we go. And we'll come back in 23 hours and do the whole process again. Number 4 we want. Number 4 and so you can see how with the recurring revenue and consistency then this is going to build up. Okay, This is why some people are earning really good money, because they've just been consistent. And if you consistently sell things that have a recurring revenue, at some point it's gonna build up. And the thing is with these products that we're promoting is they're good quality, because I've had people join on month 1 and they're still with us. So it says a lot, and that's what you want. And also, I've had zero chargebacks and 0 refunds, which is what you want. And I think that's because when people sign up, they sign up for a trial, like a $1 trial, see if it's for them, and then they jump in and then they buy it. Okay, so again, it increases the confidence in the customers, which is brilliant. Good, perfect timing. Send email, and we are done for today. If I haven't got a coffee, it's coffee time. Right, so let's have a quick look at Clickbank. We'll go and refresh the page. 24744. Still the same amount of hops. Okay, no additional sales as yet. Okay, but this is what we want to see up. Okay, obviously we're going to see social sales rep increasing. Okay, with recurring revenue. That goes without saying, but we want to see more sales on this social page, so that's what we're kind of working for now. Okay, so let's see how we get on with that. Anyway, if you've got some value from this, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, because you're going to get access to all these videos and also the training that I'm putting together, the affiliate marketing training. And what I'm going to be doing when it's almost finished, I'm going to be highlighting it, maybe give you a bit of a preview, and then I'm going to be releasing them all, so you're going to get access to that. So make sure you're subscribed and give us a thumbs up if you got some value from this, and I will see you on the training tomorrow. Bye for now.